Hello everyone, today we are going to solve the exercise number 1b. This is very simple exercise. You just subtract and add a number to another number and we get the answer. Let's get started. So question number 1 is fill in the blanks. Question number 1 part A, 6920110 is dash more than 6900000. What does it mean? What should we do? We simply subtract one number to another number and we get an answer. This is very simple, right? Now the second part is B. Sum of 4952, 1069 and 90000 is sum of. It means that we add one number to another number and we get an answer. This is very simple, right? Now third part C. 5874813 is greater than 5774813 by, we just simply subtract one number to another number from another number and we get the answer. Okay, now the next question part is D. 3421792 and 421792 together means we add up two numbers and we get an answer, right? Next E part, difference of 5612. Difference mean we subtract one number from another number and we get an answer. Now second question number second. This means state whether the following are true or false. If 1 is added, read a statement very carefully. If 1 is added to the greatest 8-digit number, it makes a smallest 9-digit number. Let's see. What is the greatest 8-digit number? What is the greatest 8-digit number? So I can write it here. The greatest 8-digit number is, I can write it, the greatest number is 999. This is 3999. This is 6. This is 8. This is the greatest 8-digit number. It means that we add up 1. We add 1 into greatest 8-digit number. It is if it is a smallest 9-digit number or not. So let's see. When we add 999, 999, and when we add 1 into this number, we get an answer. 9 plus 1 is 0, 9 plus 1 is 10, and this is a carry, it means 1 is here, and 9 plus 1 is 10, this 1 is, and add up the following number and we get an answer. Now count it: 0 0 0 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This means that when we add 1 to the greatest 8-digit number, we get the smallest 9-digit number. So this statement is true. This statement is true. Now the second part B. 50000 subtract from the 6005000 equals, when we subtract this number from this number, if we get this answer, is it true or false? So this is true. Add up this number and subtract this number in a rough copy and you get the answer. So question number C, question number 2 के part C, 7500000 is the sum of 500 and 25. And we just add up two following numbers, and if we get this answer, this statement is true, otherwise this is false. The difference of 12500,720 and 2250,720 is this one. Is if we add these two numbers and we get this answer, this statement is true, otherwise this is false. Now next question is 9216477 is a sum of 8120, 592, 595, and if we sum up two following numbers and we get this answer, this statement is true, otherwise this is false. Sorry, 92146 is the sum of 812 and 190. Yes, this is right. This is true statement. Now see you soon later, students, and Allah Hafiz.